Here's our Tysina.
Jump down.
Oh, we were almost to the beach. We're decided to stop and inspect the trash. Found an umbrella. Woohoo! For our porch. For our porch at home. It looks like it's just really faded, which is probably why it was thrown out. Sweet!
This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams. We're water free.
Welcome to our beach setup.
It costs $10 to park there.
It's very windy, so we have our umbrella very low. But here is our view. We have a nice little sand castle someone put there for us.
Yeah. Currently crying.
Currently crying because there's a Great Dane behind us and he really wants to play. Here's a doggy.
Tyson's gonna wag all day long.
This beach is very dog friendly, and before 9 it's like off leash. Dogs can be off leash, so they were just running everywhere and Tyson was he just wants to wrestle. Oh, there he is. But yeah, we got our set up, had our breakfast on the beach, and now we're just hanging. This is a delish pineapple.
It is. A Walmart pineapple or Sam's.
This is the high life. Eating a fresh pineapple, enjoying the sunshine.
You want one?
Yeah. And here's what's left. Alright, for the next part of our beach day, we have come up and we're, and by where I mean right now it's just me, but sitting on the camper bed or tailgate. Can you see yourself?
Hand it here. Roasting us some hot dogs over the flames and toasting some buns.
This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams. We're living water free. So drink up the sunshine.
I was gonna say, one thing we love about this Walmart, I hope you can hear over the wind, is we parked, we put Tyson in the back, he was taking a nap, we walked across the parking lot to a Mexican restaurant, then we walked back, gave Tyson a treat, checked on him, and then we're just gonna walk over there to the Walmart and pick out a sweet. And yeah, it's just like the best setup. And let me turn and show kind of what our parking setup looks like. We've been here before, maybe a couple times, but we just kind of park up against these trees that's kind of like woods. And then there's our camper friends down there. It's really awesome.
See if you can see.
Hi, Tyson. He heard us. Decided to come do some thrift shopping. Okay, update. That Goodwill was garbage. Boris, can you testify?
It smelled bad.
It was smelly and didn't have much. So now we're going to another one called Uptown Cheapskate. So Horace, how would you rate your day at the beach and your thrift shopping and your Walmart shopping? Oh, we should give an update. We just spent over an hour. Horace demanded to go down every aisle in Walmart. This would have been a free camping trip, minus our Walmart trip.
Bought lots of fun stuff.
There's the haul of stuff we bought. One of the things being, Horace picked out some ice cream.
Yeah, can't go wrong with cookies and cream.
So another cool thing about this Walmart parking lot is it's a really nice gas station. They just have lights and like outdoor seating, and they have palm trees everywhere. Now I can show, this is one of the things we bought yesterday in our Walmart haul.
fancy Walmart truck. The mountain range.
You got you some morning coffee. It is Sunday morning. And we're gonna take Tyson on a walk and find, oh, here you can see now that it's daytime, all the palm trees that they have everywhere. We're gonna go find the little pond behind here. Okay, and here we are on the back corner lot, this little pond. Unfortunately, there's this. And so we have planned a road trip to Florida for our anniversary trip in October. And it has created a new fear of alligators. And so now, here we are where Horace claims no alligators live in South Carolina, which is garbage. Now we're at a pond that may house alligators. Tyson, you can't go down there, there's alligators. But, here's a cool little pond. Go ahead. And for the teardown process, all you have to do is we turn the fan on the inside where it sucks this piece is kind of in a little bit, and then we just crank it down. And then step 2, you just tuck the sides in. This side has a little piece. Just gets all that pushed in and then cranks it all the way down. And we're ready to go.